Good morning to viewers. Today we are going to learn in detail one of the Dr. Bach remedies called Serato. Persons who are to be prescribed this remedy, otherwise called negative serotype persons, are those who follow an ism, Gandhiism, vegetarianism, or those who are sitting under the feet of a so-called Guruji as their friend, guide, philosopher. These people need Serato. One small comparison. Those who follow a cult, LTTE, Al-Qaeda, Maoist, these are called negative rock water type. I repeat, those who follow an ism or negative serotype, those who follow a cult or negative rock water type. Keep this in mind. One Zero Sri Shankar in Bangalore asked his devotees to wash the feet of corporation workers sweeping the roads and then apply turmeric and then give them good food and also good dress, money, etc. to stop the spread of the present pandemic COVID. This is a shame and disgrace. Will washing the feet of corporation work help in any way? Whereas, on the other hand, the two Bach remedies, Mimulus and white chestnut, taken twice or thrice a week, has worked as a very good preventive. Also, those who were affected by the present pandemic and even those in IC unit, if you cannot orally give Bach remedies to a patient because he is wearing this oxygen mask, ventilator, etc., you dissolve a few pills in a little water, quantity is immaterial, and apply the solution anywhere on the body except palm, head and soles. See, the convenient place is either this side or this side. No need to rub. Just put 1 or 2 drops. Put 5 ton pills, say in half an ounce of water. No need for the pills to get completely dissolved. The moment you put the globules or pills into the water, immediately the water will absorb the medicinal effects. Just take few drops, just touch this. Your wet hand, you dip your finger into the solution, just touch it. No need to rub. So, even those in IC unit, Mimulus and white chestnut, two Bach remedies were given thrice daily, and on the second or third day, they were shifted to ward, and the very next day they were discharged. Now, should we worship Dr. Edward Bach or this vagabond Zero Sri Shankar? Those who follow Swamijis are called fad, negative serotype. What will happen if we give Serato to these poor Indians sitting under the feet of so-called rishis or Swamijis? they will become number one in the world. Like Edward Bach, they will become the foremost or chief guru to the extent of leaders of all religions will come and prostrate before him. Serato is for wisdom, positive aspect. Negative is fad. We are not born on earth to sit under the feet of any so-called Swamijis or seer. We have our work to do. We have to look at God. These agents are mesmerizing the innocent public. Okay, now Serato, another symptom. Author of textbook, translators, those who do compiling work, writing manuals, they are all beach type persons. Author of encyclopedias are positive Serato type. Those who do mimicry, they can play violin or veena or mridangam with their voice, imitating others, or those who speak imitating the voice of several actors or actresses. If we give Serato to them, sooner or later they will start writing an encyclopedia. Unfortunately, in our colleges, compiling a dictionary or writing an encyclopedia is not at all taught as a subject. What is the difference between a textbook and encyclopedia? You ask any college professor, he will give a vague reply, encyclopedia is a reference book. Totally incorrect. Misguidance. If all our schools and colleges are burnt down, things would be far better. You need a textbook to get a degree in your hands, maybe BA English or MSc Chemistry or MBBS. After getting the degree in your hands, you discard the textbooks and then you work under the so-called senior, and by the time you reach the top, you get retirement. Or you attend seminars, you consult so many people to come to the top, it takes 10 years, 20 years. They are otherwise called wizard. For example, in law, legal matters, Shanti Bhushan is called a wizard. If anyone has written an encyclopedia in your subject, and if you study it as a textbook for 6 months, you can go to the top in no time, because encyclopedia alone can give you the correct, complete and exhaustive knowledge. No need to sit under the so-called senior fellows. What happens? He will be lifelong senior and you will be junior lifelong. If anyone has written an encyclopedia in your subject and if you read it as a textbook, you can go to the top in 6 months. For example, there is a 13-volume British Encyclopedia of Medical Practice. If you have any doubt about diagnosing a case, you need not refer the patient to a so-called senior or specialist. You read encyclopedia, then you can make a better diagnosis than the so-called seniors. Positive aspects of Serato is wisdom. Negative aspect is fad, who are sitting under the so-called CAs or Swamijis. Thank you.